Well, the confusion over Governor Walker's collective bargaining law continues at the state capitol in Madison. Members of Walker's administration say they are beginning to implement the new law. This after the Legislative Reference Bureau published the law on Friday. But opponents of the law say the law's fate is in the hands of the court. But not everyone agrees. Fox 11's Kristen Crowley has our balanced coverage tonight.
Despite a disagreement on whether the collective bargaining law is actually law, the Wisconsin Department of Administration says it's moving forward with it.
With our legal analysis of the statutes, it is now my legal responsibility, much as it was LRB's on Friday, to publish it. It's now my legal responsibility to begin the enactment of the law.
Secretary Michael Hipsch says starting April 21st, most state employees will contribute more to health care and pension. At that time, the state will also no longer take union dues out of paychecks. Union members have the option to pay those dues on their own. While a judge prevented Wisconsin's Secretary of State from publishing the law with a restraining order, Hipsch says once the Legislative Reference Bureau issued the publication Friday, it became law.
We were not mentioned in the temporary restraining order, and so I am under no such order.
But the Legislative Reference Bureau argues its publication of the law was purely procedural and says the Secretary of State still must act for it to take effect. Another nonpartisan government agency, the Wisconsin Legislative Council, sent Democratic Assembly Leader Peter Barca a letter on Monday stating while it will be up to the courts to decide, the LRB's publication of the law does not necessarily mean the law takes effect. Dane County District Attorney Ishmael Ozan says there's more legal discussion to be had.
The restraining order was clear, and we'll be taking that up tomorrow with the judge.
Hipsch says there is one way he won't move forward with implementing the law.
If a judge or a court says otherwise, that we should not continue, we will make every effort to comply with that law.
The Wisconsin Department of Justice has asked a judge to lift the restraining order, saying it's no longer needed since the law has been published. The court hearing is scheduled for tomorrow morning in Madison. Live in the News and Content Center, Kristen Crowley, Fox 11 News.